Helicopters right there. Ladies and gentlemen, cheers, lead the pack now. Both sides with the original trick from Freestyle Motocross. Grab all the way. Moving! Heel pressure. See a huge straight right there from Chad. Kiss of death, I can't believe it. Kohut just looped the bike down. Bowman takes it. We weren't sure. Look at him holding that arm down. And he's got arm down there. Bowman to the backside. Double swing. Kohut, an amazing story this guy is. Oh, look at that! Holy grab to the backside. Double grab with an Indy twist. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, you can see why he wanted all eyes on him with that one right there. Chad Bowman. You know what? These guys are anxious, though, because Billy said it best. He said, how many times does a Canadian kid get to ride in the wintertime? Up right there, right there. Whoa, up to the outside. Position. Oh, there you go. There's the Indy to the backside of that Honda. Bowman almost. Sayers to the Captain Lee twist is Billy Kohut. Chad Bowman up there turning himself on that big Kawasaki. Back comes Kohut. Backside double grab. Reaches all the way. Dude.